Good afternoon. I'm Jean Sampson, Senior Transactional Counsel here at Stony Brook. You are now at the highlight of this boot camp. Lawyers will be discussing legal issues in connection with telehealth. We hope we can make it riveting. Sorry, I meant relevant. Before we begin, none of the speakers are here to provide you with legal advice. If anyone from Stony Brook University has a work-related telehealth legal question, please call University Counsel's office. We have 4 speakers on our panel, and they'll each be doing a presentation. And please, we thought that in order to try to get as much information to you as possible, they would do their presentations, and if there was time later, you could ask any questions that you might have. Our first 2 speakers will be Jeremy Shearer and Amy Joseph from Hooper, Lundy, and Bookman. Jeremy's primary practice is digital health and telemedicine, as well as fraud and abuse, compliance, and mergers and acquisitions. Jeremy has experience advising hospitals, telemedicine service providers, and physician practices. Amy Joseph advises a wide variety of healthcare providers on business and regulatory matters, including for-profit and non-profit health systems, healthcare information technology companies, management organizations, and physician groups. A significant portion of her practice is focused on fraud and abuse compliance. Jeremy and Amy's presentation will be on various aspects of telehealth law. Our next speaker will be David Zabel from Garfunkel Wild on Long Island, some of whom you all know. David holds dual degrees in law and medicine, providing a unique perspective to clients in the healthcare space. David has expertise in advising clients with respect to emerging healthcare technologies, delivery systems, and other early-stage initiatives. David's presentation will be an overview of the telehealth legal landscape and reimbursement, a topic I know which is near and dear to many in this room. Our final speaker will be Stacy Gulick, also from Garfunkel. Stacy has extensive experience in healthcare administration, having worked as a medical staff coordinator, risk manager, and compliance officer for several years prior to becoming an attorney. Her practice includes representation of healthcare providers and their business associates in implementation of HIPAA compliance programs. Stacy's presentation will focus on privacy and security issues in telemedicine. So I'm now going to turn it over to our 4 presenters, and as I said, if we have time, we'll take questions at the end.